Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you what to do if your iPhone screen is flickering and glitching. First, try to reboot your iPhone. To do this, press the power off button and hold it. Then, slide to power off your iPhone. After turn on it, hold the power on button and wait to start your iOS. The next way, you can message your iPhone where you see vertical or horizontal lines. This method should get rid of the colored lines on the screen because the colored lines appear when the connection between the screen and the hardware is broken. It may take up to 10 minutes. If you have color problems like me, the screen color is completely distorted, you may have a color filter turned on. To turn it off, open the iPhone settings. Next, swipe down, tap on Accessibility, select Display and Text Size, swipe down again, and select Color Filters. Turn the color filters off, and we have the normal color of the screen. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.